Good morning. How did you sleep? What's the weather like today? I need a cup of coffee to wake up. Did you have breakfast yet? Traffic was heavy on my way to work. Can you pass me the salt, please? Let's meet for lunch later. I have a meeting at 2 p.m. What's your favorite book or movie? I'm looking forward to the weekend. How was your day so far? Have you been to that new restaurant? Let's plan a trip for the holidays. I enjoy listening to music in the evening. Did you exercise today? I need to do some grocery shopping. How's your family doing? Do you have any pets? Let's go for a walk after dinner. I forgot my keys at home. Can you recommend a good TV show? I'm feeling a bit tired today. What's your favorite hobby? Let's grab a quick bite to eat. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. Did you watch the news this morning? My phone battery is almost dead. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I have a busy day ahead. Can you help me with this task? Let's take a break and relax. What's your dream vacation destination? I need to reply to some emails. It's raining outside. Take an umbrella. I love the smell of fresh flowers. How do you stay organized? I'm excited about the upcoming project. Don't forget to set your alarm. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Let's plan a movie night. I have a doctor's appointment next week. Did you try that new recipe? What's your favorite type of music? I enjoy spending time with friends. Let's go for a bike ride on Saturday. I have to finish this report by Friday. Can you pick up some milk on your way home? Did you hear about the latest news? I love the smell of freshly baked bread. How's your project coming along? Let's have a picnic in the park. I need a break from work. Do you have any weekend plans? I need to update my resume. What's your favorite season? Let's try a new restaurant this weekend. How do you stay motivated? I'm excited about the new movie release. Don't forget to water the plants. What's the best advice you've ever received? I enjoy watching the sunset. Can you recommend a good book? Let's go for a hike this weekend. How's your work-life balance? I have a dentist appointment next week. Did you check the mail today? I need to buy a birthday gift. Let's plan a weekend getaway. Do you have any fitness goals? I love the sound of rain. Can you help me move this furniture? What's your favorite childhood memory? Let's have a barbecue on Sunday. I'm excited about the new project. Did you try that new restaurant downtown? What's your favorite way to relax? Let's go to the beach this summer. I have a job interview next month. Did you visit any interesting places lately? How do you stay focused at work? Let's organize a game night. I have to renew my gym membership. What's your favorite type of exercise? Let's go to a museum this weekend. Did you make any New Year's resolutions? I enjoy cooking dinner at home. What's your favorite holiday tradition? Let's go to a concert next week. I need to clean and organize my room. Can you recommend a good podcast? How do you handle stress? Let's have a potluck dinner. I have a meeting with my boss tomorrow. Did you try that new recipe I sent you? What's your favorite type of cuisine? Let's plan a picnic in the countryside. I have to finish this project by Monday. How's your weekend going so far? Let's go for a jog in the morning. I'm grateful for the people in my life.